Hello, my friends. I was going to do a dump and swirl pour today, but that's why I painted the canvas like this, but I couldn't get my consistencies right, so instead I'm just going to be doing a straight pour using some of the colors I mixed for that. My main color is going to be this deep plum color, which is 3 parts red, Artist Loft, 1 part black. And I mixed it 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. So it's still on the thick side. And I've got this concoction, which is some Colourarte's Fire Opal, Bling it. But that consistency wasn't right either, so I added some Platinum Rose in Prizm pour and some Floetrol to come up with this lovely metallic. Then I needed a couple of, well, this is so dark that I needed some mid-tone, so I mixed some white and added some of that plum to it for this, and then I have some white. So I'm not going to need all of this paint for this small 10 by 10, but I will fill this 9-ounce cup up, maybe about 7 ounces should be plenty. And I think I'll do this dark color in between each of these other colors. So here we go. That should be enough. And here we go. Sometimes gets more interesting as you pour because the paints have begun to mix a bit in the cup. I think I'm going to add some white to what I have left in the cup. It's too dark, so well, let's hope that's not a mistake. All right, I think I like the look of that. Let me hit it with a torch. And move it around. I like that. since I've cut back on my pouring, I'm really rusty. My narration is lacking. I'm sorry, but it's more interesting to look than to listen to what I'm doing, I think. Oh my gosh, that was pretty poor. All right, now I'm going to, the whole surface is covered. I'm going to send the weight of the paint back to the center and size it up. That's just want to get rid of this little thing. I'll bring this down off the canvas. I don't know. It's not all that exciting. Maybe I should do the swirls, the swirl thing. I'm really enjoying that look lately. It's kind of my go-to. I used to do balloon smashes when I wasn't happy, or a swipe, but now I'm really interested in the swirls. So let me go grab a skewer and swirl it up. It works particularly well when you have good contrast between the light and the dark. So I'm going to start over here with one. I like that. I like to vary the sizes of them. Do I want to keep going? I think so. I just don't find that interesting enough to leave as is. Can overlap them some, that's fun. Let's put a real big one right here. Well, I have a real big one there. I'll put a big one here. And a little one. Medium size, I guess. I want to. And a small one here. But you see, this one you can hardly see because there's not a lot of contrast in there. Okay. I like it. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. See you next time.